ragazzi in classe e nessuno mi si è avvicinato colpendo la...
Hey, what are you doing? Stop following me. What? Why are you still... Oh, forget it. What a disastrous mistake! I hope the bird will learn a lesson. Oops, it seems he hasn't. Hey bro, why are your feathers so smooth? I want a comfy coat also. When the introvert meets its very first extroverts in life. Wait, stop that, honey. We can't do this. It's a forbidden love. I mean, no. Most of the time, their friendship is all about teasing each other. Believe me. Your forehead is a bit warm. You should take some rest, buddy. There is a limit in every friendship that you shouldn't cross it at any cost. It's like watching girls combing others' hair. Such a sweet scene. What do you think will be the price of this space cleaning course? Birdie definitely doesn't expect that there is a fan watching him. Always keep the best of yours. Don't let anyone come and steal him. Bird being afraid of cat is an old tale already. Black cat has its own way to deal with showy guys, and it's not so friendly.
Тошка пришел отжимать у Васи динозавра.
Sign of a strong friendship. Immediately pick a fight after meeting each other for a few seconds. Out of bread already? Oh, buddy, you look like a loaf of bread. One thing's for sure is that there isn't a peaceful day when they live together. Oh, hello, buddy. Can I join you? It looks cozy down there. How lonely. Wait, who are you? How long have you been there? Puffy cat welcoming its new brother with warmth really melts my heart. Oh, hello, boy. How are you doing? Bro, you're busy? Okay, I'll wait.
Mess with me. Like, I'm just trying to lay here. You gotta start some shit with me always. Gosh. Back up. Stop looking at me. Oh, I hate you.
Like, you know, black and white have always been the opposite. Kitty truly makes me remember the first time I met my homie. Cat can be chased, but definitely isn't easy to approach. Once getting along, cat and bird is such a perfect couple. Wow, so this is your house? So small. I mean, how can you live here? Come back to your house, bro. Mom is about to come home.
Go to war! I want a lightsaber! I'm a man! Whoa.
Cat rarely shows its hesitation like this. That bird isn't nobody. Typical couple of extrovert and introvert when they're together. Typical first date when both sides have nothing to say. A bird can be useful in a way you didn't expect before, like this. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.